Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. This is my series, A Happier, More Attractive You in 21 Days. And we are on day 14. Congratulations. And today we're going to talk about raising your vibration. And I'm going to give you a little exercise that you can do to raise your vibration because that helps with the change. And if you have any questions about these tools and techniques, write me in the comments and I will help you with them. But let's go ahead and get started. So it's day 14 and we're going to talk about raising your vibration. But first I want to talk a little bit about change. Now you're doing this series in order to change some things in your life. Happier, more attractive, or maybe something else. But you have to be aware that our egos do not like change. Period. They don't. You'll hear all the voices in your head from your ego trying to resist any change. It's kind of like equate it like my son. My son may have jeans that have holes in them, but he resists getting new ones because he's comfortable with those jeans. And it's the same. Our egos are comfortable with the way our life is now. So just be aware as you try to change things, the ego will resist. And it's always sometime when you're changing. It's always the darkest before the dawn because that's the ego fighting back at you. So today we're going to raise the vibration to help with change and also mix some things up. So the first thing I want to talk about is I want you to mix things up so your ego and yourself gets used to change. So maybe on the weekends, if you usually go to a movie or go out to dinner, mix it up. Maybe go to an escape room, go take a hike in nature, go to a batting cage, do something different. And I also want you to eat something different. Introduce a food in your diet this week that you normally would not eat. Mix it up. Again, that's your goal, one of the goals this week. Do something different. That way you're getting used to change. The second, it's with your body. Our bodies are our temples. Now, we're here to use this body just temporarily in this lifetime, but I want you to be aware of what you're putting in your body. Are you putting any harmful substances in it? Because the purer your diet, the higher your vibration. So try if you can do organic, add some more organic fruits and vegetables this week to raise your vibration, and just be aware of what you're putting into your body. Now the third is a way to increase your vibration and your illumination. And it's tapping into source. Tapping into universal energy. And you can do it. You have to practice it, but it is very doable. It's just like having a lamp and plugging it in and it lights up. It's the same with you. You can illuminate yourself as you walk into the room. And what I'm going to do is give you an affirmation, and it's an I am affirmation. I am. And what that is connected with source, with God, the I am presence. And again, we can all tap into it. So what the affirmation that I want you to say is, I am the illumination of this room. I am the illumination of this room. And when you walk into a room, just say that to yourself or out loud if you're alone. I am the illumination of this room. And feel your I am presence, your connection with source. And you tap into this, especially if your energy feels a little down or you're having trouble getting through your day. Just stop. I am the illumination of this room. And feel your I am presence. Connect with source. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And again, if you have any questions, write me in the comments. But I'll see you tomorrow.